Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at the Lisen All metal suction magnetic phone mount. It's a premium heavy-duty mount you can use for your dashboard or even directly on your car's infotainment screen. I've been testing it in my Kia Sportage and this thing is built like a tank. This was sent to me by Lisen, but as always, all opinions are my own. First up is the main mount itself. It features a suction nanogel base which gives you that super strong hold on smooth surfaces. You also see the adjustment dial. This is what lets you loosen the mount to change the angle or unlock full 360-degree rotation. Here's the base pad manual, followed by the main installation guide. You also get dry and wet wipes for preparing the surface. Next is the metal ring. This is for phone cases that don't have built-in MagSafe, so you can still use the magnetic head. And finally, here's the base pad itself. The whole mount is made from the true military grade metal, and you can feel the weight and durability as soon as you pick it up. Lisen rates the suction at 98 pounds, which is wild for a mount this compact. The arm is about the size of a thumb and the magnetic head sits just under 2 inches across. It's small enough that it slips right into my pocket without feeling bulky. I installed it directly on my Kia Sportage infotainment screen and the suction locked in immediately. If you prefer a dashboard setup, Lisen includes a pad you can stick on your dash. Either way, installation takes seconds. Here's some driving footage so you can see how it performs. Even on bumpy roads, the mount stays completely stable. I don't have to worry about it falling or shifting. The arm holds its position and the magnet keeps the phone locked in place. And the phone magnet keeps the phone locked in place the entire time. One thing I really like is how easy it is to switch from vertical to horizontal orientation. It rotates smoothly with one hand, and because the magnet is so strong, the phone doesn't shift or sag when you turn it. For the magnet strength, even with a heavier phone, it snaps on tight and doesn't budge. You can feel the pull when it connects. So overall, the Lisen All Metal Suction Magnetic Mount is one of the strongest and most stable mount I've tested. Premium build, rock solid suction, super strong magnet, and easy installation whether you're using the dashboard or your infotainment screen. The only thing I wish it had was wireless charging built in. That would make it pretty much perfect. But even without that, this mount performs flawlessly and it is definitely worth checking out. Link is in the description. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one.